a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Just giving a quick update on everything. A lot of artisans and other people wanted to contribute to the giveaway. But first, let's talk. What'd you shave with today? Let me know down below. I shaved, of course, with Texas Spirit. I used the Alpha Shaving Works Texan Shaves Lone Star razor. For the first time, I used a Tatara blade, and man, it was super smooth. But such a great shave. My phone was blowing up today with everyone letting me know that they received their Texas Spirit today and how much they enjoyed it. And I want to thank each and every one of you that purchased it. Doug and Kara Lane had the largest sales day, single day of sales they've ever had since they've opened their doors at Adopted Acres. And thank you, all of you that purchased it, for making that happen. I felt so good to be able to be a part of that and help them grow their business. It was just so awesome. So thank you, everyone. If you do have Texas Spirit, let me know down below what you think of it, please. And also let me know what you shaved with today. I'd like to know. I love looking at Shave of the Day photos and stuff and seeing what everybody has going on. All right, so let's get on with the updates, guys. This is getting out of hand, but it's good for all of you. So I'm going to go and I'm going to talk about all the additional giveaways. You probably noticed some extra logos. I'm running out of room on the thumbnail. Go take a look at it if you haven't seen it. I'm running out of room. Frank Misa from Strike Gold Shave reached out to me after my last video on the giveaway and offered up a set of Icon. That'll be a soap and a splash of Icon to give away to you guys. So there's an additional item. And that's going to be CONUS only. So continental US only on that. I apologize, guys. Peter Charcalis from Ariana and Evans. He reached out to me too. He's going to be giving a Latte e Mente soap only. And it's not going to be in that beautiful clamshell box because he was running low on boxes. But you are going to have that amazing Latte e Mente soap. And he's also offering up 10 cream tubes. And these will be CONUS only also. So man, that is just between those two, that is 12 more giveaways for you guys. Wow, I'm gonna be going crazy with this one. 12 more giveaways right there alone. Adopted Acres, Doug Lane reached out to me and said, you know what? Let's do 2 more soap sets. So he's going to do 2 soap sets, CONUS only. So there we go. We added 2 more. So that's 14 more giveaways total. So 2 soaps and splashes from Adopted Acres, continental US only. Mama Bear reached out, and I was going to get a gift card to Mama Bear, but she doesn't have gift cards. But she reached out and she wanted to give a $25 coupon code to a winner. So that's 1 more giveaway from Mama Bear soaps. And guys, you know how much I love Mama Bear soaps. If you have not tried it, now's your chance. I hope the winner is someone who has not used Mama Bear's yet, because you have to experience her soaps. They're amazing. Her bath soaps are amazing. She's adding new stuff. Really good stuff. Great family. Jennifer is just salt of the earth human being. I love talking to her. Great products. Last but not least, Pete Hendricks of Hendricks Classics and Company offered up 2 trifectas. That's full soap, splash, and EDP of an upcoming release. Now, this is going to be an early release. You're going to get this before anybody else, whoever the 2 winners are for this. And it's of a soap set called Final Pleasure. And I'm going to put the graphic up on the label up on the screen. It's a label I did do the work on. He decided to use this one. So Final Pleasure, 2 trifectas from Pete Hendricks of Hendricks Classics & Co. Man, that is outstanding. So thank you, Frank. Thank you, Pete Charcalis. Thank you, Doug and Kara Lane of Adopted Acres. Thank you, Jennifer from Mama Bears. And thank you, Pete Hendricks from Hendricks Classics & Company. I appreciate every one of you. I love that you're contributing to this and getting these goodies out to the viewers. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. So that is the update for the giveaway. I'm adding all those, so there will be, what was the grand total? We got 1, that was 11, that was 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, I missed one. Sorry. Wow. Can't believe I missed this one. My notes aren't very good on my Word document here. Douglas Smythe of Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements sent me a text, said giveaway, and I said, yeah, I'm doing this, and I'm purchasing a $50 gift card to Phoenix Shaving, and I'm going to give it. And he's like, well, how about I do something? So he's offering up a $25 gift card. So there will be two Phoenix Artisan Accoutrement winners. One's going to be a $50 gift card. The second one will be a $25 gift card. So what was the current count then? We've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 additional prizes added to this giveaway, guys. I don't know what the grand total is. Maybe I can get a quick count. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. There'll be 40 winners in my 1 year giveaway. Wow. It feels amazing to be able to give that much back to all of you guys. And thank you to the artisans that have contributed. I really, really appreciate it so much. So yeah, we're going to have that drawing on Sunday. If there are any more updates, I'll try to do them daily. It's just been a crazy busy week. I do want to announce, and I'm going to mention this in the giveaway, I am traveling immediately after that giveaway video. So all of the winners reach out to me, and I'll explain how to reach out to me in the giveaway. But I will not be able to ship any of the items until sometime around Friday to the next weekend, because I will not be getting back into town until Thursday late. So I do apologize about the lag in the shipping, but I will have everything out. I'll have all the labels printed Friday, and I'll have everything out on Saturday. At least I will do my best. So that's it for the update, guys. Find your peace in what and where you can, and we'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.